Hello, hi guys, welcome back to my page. Ah, I found something that all women have been looking for. I don't bring and come home. Guess what? I bring you good news. Now, as a wife, as a girlfriend, as a woman, you can now stay inside your phone and see all the girls your husband is chatting with on his WhatsApp. Yes. Now, I want to show you how you can read all your husband message through your own phone inside your own WhatsApp. Cha! How to catch a cheating husband oh. Now I carry come today. You don't ever hear that before? You think it's impossible, Abby? Don't worry. I will show you how to read all your husband messages, your boyfriend messages, your man, his all his WhatsApp messages inside your own phone. So let's go there, okay? Make sure you watch to the end, okay? Let's go. My ladies, let's go. So you have to click your WhatsApp. Yes, this is my WhatsApp on my second phone. Yes. So you click this three line there. Click on setting. As you click on setting now, you have to show, you have to be reading well. So I no go and press mistake. Don't go and do any mistake at all. So now as you dey show now, you have to enter inside account. No, it's not account. You enter inside privacy. As you enter privacy, you see this read receipt. That read receipt wey dey on. If e dey on for your phone, off am, on am back again. You get wetin you dey do? Yes. Off and on am on. Off am and on am again. So now, this disappearing message, leave that one first. You still go back to it. You see, last seen online. This last seen online now, you will go to your contacts and search for the name you use save your husband name, abi na your boyfriend, abi na your man, anybody. So search for the name. So you can see now my husband I wan search, I come dey write rubbish. So I have to search again. See it na my husband too. You see am? So you now click this green thing there. So now you no go know when you dey online and when you no dey online. So another thing now wey you go click, just make sure say you dey read well oh. So you now go back to that disappearing message. If you go back to that disappearing message, wait, I'm coming. Make we go this first. So now you go to your chats. When you enter chat, so you scroll down, you see that chat archive, off am, on am, back. Everything wey dey WhatsApp, get wetin e dey do. So go to chat history. You see that delete all chat there. Delete it. Just press am. Delete all the chat wey dey your phone because you just wan start another journey so. So at this junction, I no go front, I no go back. This thing just dey waste my time, say na wow. Na this thing I go dey do. I come kukuma wait make the thing load finish. Wait oh. You sef wait, e don load finish now. So now you go back to your home. So now you have to go to your account. So let's go to account. You see this account now. You see this delete my account. So now you press this delete my account because I no know wetin you dey find up and down. If you see am, just delete am so that WhatsApp go kukuma comot inside your phone because I no know where you dey follow me go. In fact, I no know wetin you dey find inside your husband messages. You see this lesson? Just help me share am make other woman see am. Delete your account comot aunty. Delete am. Delete am.